Hey, this is May's Design Corner, and I am doing quick and easy meals with honor of the Grace Life DIY and Deborah Cabassa of Deborah Cabassa Home Living and Jean's Home Decor and more. And they have now added Debbie Bubbles. So we got Debbie Bubbles, Anna, Deborah, and Jean. Well, today for you, I'm going to do some fried turkey wings. Yes, fried turkey wings. Now, in order for you to get these turkey wings ready, you have to boil them for a number of hours. And you know how you cook regular turkey wings in your home. So you boil those turkey wings until they're tender, fork tender, and then you batter them down and put them in your grease and fry them. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start. I have an egg in here, and I'm going to add a little water to that egg. I'm going to the sink. And I'm going to beat that egg real good. And if you have been watching me, you know that I make all my seasonings ahead of time. I do all my seasonings ahead of time. So I have me some flour already mixed. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the tips of the turkey first. And these are my cooked turkey tips right here. See that? I'm going to put them in this egg wash. Can you see what I'm doing? Putting them in the egg wash. And this is my already seasoned flour. I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to take this tip here in the egg wash, put it in my seasoned flour. And I put my seasoned flour on here like this. Okay. Get it battered up real good. And I'm going to take it one more time and put it in the egg wash again. This so it'll be really, really crispy and nice. I want these to be very, very crispy, and I'm going to flour it once again. I have some oil over here that I already have going. And I'm going to drop these in my oil, but let me test my oil first and see if it's ready. I'm going to wash my hands and test my oil. It's not quite ready yet. It's making noise, but it's not making enough noise. So what I'm going to do is batter everything. Batter these tips. And I'm going to place them on a plate until the oil is ready. Now, while I'm doing all this, I'm going to let you rest some, and then I'll come back and show you when I start frying them. I'm going to put them in here and in the flour, back in the egg wash again, and flour, and then I'm going to drop them. And I have this, I'm going to put them on, set them on until I get ready to drop them in the oil. Okay, I'm going to put you on hold till I get all that done. Okay, the oil is ready. So I'm going to drop them down in here. Here, I'm dropping them down. And I know you can hear them searing. And I'm going to let those cook. And they're over here. Right here is where I drop them into. Okay? And you can hear them searing. Now, while they are searing and cooking, I'm going to get the big pieces out. These are the big pieces. We're going to do the same thing with the big pieces that we did with the little. We're going to dip them in the egg wash. See, I got them in the egg wash. And we're going to make sure we get enough on there. We're going to put them on the plate. And we're going to flour them down. And flour them down. Now you could also take these turkey wings and put them in the hot pot, or that hot pot that you could cook food real fast, 15 minutes. Well, if you put them in that, make sure you watch them, because you don't want them to cook all the pieces. You just want them to get so you can use them, so you can fry them whole like this, okay? And I'm going to dip that again. I'm losing some of my stuff. I thought I had everything ready, but that's fine. That's okay. So I'm going to dip this again in here, because I want it to be really, really crispy. I want these to be real crispy and good. Okay? And I'm going to put it back in the flour. Put it back again in the flour. Oh yeah. Fried turkey wings. Fried turkey flappers. However you want to call them. Turkey wings, turkey flappers. And I'm going to put the one that's already done on my plate again. See how it looks? And I'm going to wash my hands and go over here and check my first load. I'm still here. I'm just going to check my first load. Want to get my spoon out to check them. Oh, they look delicious, y'all. Oh, my goodness. And you don't have to fry them that long, because they're already done. We're just trying to get them fried so they have a good frying texture. Oh, they are going to be just absolutely delicious. I promise you, they are going to be delicious. Now, I'm pulling out something else because I want to go ahead and get the other one done as well. I pulled this out because I'm going to put my egg wash in here. I think it'll do better. So I'm going to put my egg wash in the big bowl. This is a trial and error. I've done this before, but I'm using the wrong size. So I'm going to take this one and put it here. And it fits better. See? There you go. Put it on the flour. Dip it. Take some more flour. And you know, I made my flour mix. If you want to go back and look at my video where I mixed up my flour for seasoning. I seasoned my flour for fish and for chicken as well. Okay. And I'm going to dip it back in here again because I want it to have a double coating. Okay. There you go. Put it back on the flour and cover it again. There we go. We want it to be real crispy and nice, because when you serve stuff, you want to make sure the stuff that you're serving, somebody else wants to eat it. You want it to look tempting, and here it is, and I'm going to put it right there, and I'm going to dip this one and put these two in together. Okay, now I'm going to wash my hands and check the other that I got already in the oil. I'm getting ready to pull those out because those are ready. They are golden brown, and let me tell you, y'all, they taste so good. We have always put turkey on the grill, and we fried them as well. So I'm used to this. This is something that I didn't just come up with. This is something that we've been doing for a minute. So I'm going to pull these out. Oh, my word. Okay. Now, these are the fried turkey tips. Just look at that, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Yes. Look at that. This is what the tips are looking like. So now I'm going to start on the turkey. I'm going to set this to the side. I have two already ready to go in, so I'm going to drop these two in. And I'm going to get these ready, and then I'll come back and show you what the two that I dropped in look like. And I'm going to go ahead, I dip and put these in the flour, dip them back in here again. And here's my flour over here in the corner. There's the flour. Okay. So I'm going to put these. Let me move my flour over. I'm going to put these right here and right here. And I'm going to cover them with the flour. Let me let you see what I'm doing. I'm going to cover them with the flour. Turn them over again. Turn them over. And I'm going to put them back in the egg wash again. This is to give them a lot of crispness. Right in the egg wash again. Push my flour over. There you go. Put that back there. I'm going to roll this again. And I'm going to put it over there and there. Okay. And I'm going to flour it again. I'm flouring it. This is my second flour. And y'all, please don't forget to go down the playlist and check these ladies out, because these ladies are cooking in your behalf, showing you how to make quick and easy meals. My meal might not be that quick because you got to do things to them. But in the end, when you get ready to cook them, it is quick. That's why I continually make it, because it is quick. Okay, and I'm going to put these two over here. And you got to remember, these are already done. They just being fried and crisp. Okay. I got two more. And this is my dinner. I'm going to put this in the sink. Okay, and I'm going to go away and finish flouring these and frying the rest of them. And I want to show you the crispy tips. Yes, once again. And look at here, y'all. It just pulls right off. Look at that. Look. Good. Oh, my word. Good. Good. So I'll be back when I get them all out and let you see what they look like.